Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to replace the boot catch on this Touran. And as you can see, it is not working how it should do. So the first thing you're going to do is remove the two screws, one in here and one in here. They're just Torx bits just up there. This one is already removed, so that's good. Undo these two underneath this flap. My flap's broken, so I just have screwed it in with them. There should just be two there. Now on the boot you've got a series of these clips here, okay, and they run all the way around. Just try and slowly pry it off in places like that. Just work your way around. Ideally, one hand holding the boot, like, and one hand pulling down on it. So I'm gonna have to turn the camera off for a sec. All the clips, okay, some of them are missing on my car, that's fine. Then we're just gonna remove these. So yeah, to remove this, you just push up on this little toggle with a screwdriver and it should just pop out. I'll just show you what I mean. Just in that little notch there. So that little notch there, on there, goes in that little square there. So that's how you know. So we're going to connect this up first and then put it into place and then put the new bolts in. So I've got this one in all right, but this side keeps slipping. So what I've done is used a pair of grips, making sure you got the plastic rubber inserts on them so they don't scratch anything. And I'm just going to put it in like that. So that's them back in now. Make sure that these are back in. And then what we're going to do is put this back on. You should just be able to place it back on and just give it a little up into position. Okay, so change of plan. I'm going to use that to hold it into position. It's actually a lot harder than it looks on one, but when you're on your own, I'm just going to try and work my way around getting these clips in. Some of them are obviously broken, but that's essentially what you're going to be doing. Just going around and boshing it all the way around. Try not to break any clips. Might even try and get these screws in as well. Just give it that extra support. Put these screws in next. I've had to use normal screws because I've lost the two Torx ones. This one was always missing one anyway. So thank you very much for watching. Look what I found. That Torx screw we were missing. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And there it is. See you on the next one.